Hello there, dear ones. Here we are, ready to talk about all things soul protection. Today, I have a story about a client who felt uncomfortable in her space, in her home, and I discovered why and was able to resolve the problem. Remember, if you enjoy this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and share this channel with anybody who you think might benefit from hearing about soul protection. So, back to my story. I had a client come to me who said that she just had this space in her apartment that really felt heavy, and the energy, she was sensitive to energy, and the energy there was just really heavy, and her mood shifted sometimes when she spent time in that part of her space. And she asked me if I would check it out. And when I did her screening, when I did her energy screening, I did find a portal in her house. And with the help of the protocols that I use and with the help of the angels, I was able to remove that portal. Interesting thing, once it was removed, she actually felt worse because whatever had established the portal had established some more energy underneath it. It's called a circle. It's like a package of yucky energy. And that package opened up, and then I cleared that. And once that was cleared, then she felt fantastic. And her space felt lighter, and she was more at ease. She didn't experience the same unsettledness that she was experiencing before. And it was a whole change in atmosphere. So, what you can learn from this is to really pay attention to how you feel in your space. Are there places in your house you don't like going? Are there places that feel heavy to you, uncomfortable to you? Are there places where your pets won't go? All of those can be indications that you might have a portal in your home or on your property. So I invite you to reach out to me, and I can do a screening for you and find out whether or not you might have a portal in your home or somewhere on your property. If you enjoy this content, feel free to like, comment, or share, subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.